Hello and good morning again, year 4. So for SPaG today, short and sweet with the PowerPoint. We're going to try and condense the videos and the PowerPoints to as minimal as possible, just to give you that quick bit of knowledge and then a little bit more time to apply that into some form of activity. So think carefully back to Monday's lesson. What was our rule? Before that, though, word of the day, inevitable. I am inevitable, says Thanos. So if something is inevitable, it is certain to happen and cannot be prevented or avoided, which was why he said he was inevitable, because it didn't matter what happened with the Stones. He was inevitable. He was always going to be there. So the final score was inevitable. We may have been discussing Chelsea Spurs at the beginning, and we said it's inevitable Chelsea are going to win because Spurs aren't very good. It was inevitable. It was certain to happen. A synonym would be unavoidable, and an antonym would be avoidable. So something that could be changed. Of course, Chelsea and Spurs, the final score wouldn't be inevitable. It could be anything. It could be a draw. It could be Tottenham win, Chelsea win, etc. It was just a bit of a joke there for you. So we learnt last week that if we want to change a noun to an adjective with the suffix us, we had to remove the E of a root word and add us, O-U-S, or we had to remove the Y of the root word and add I, O-U-S, eus. Okay? But we also saw Monday that, like any other rule in the English language, unfortunately, it's not that easy. There are some words that don't fit, and we just have to learn them and we have to recognize them. Okay? And we become accurate spellers with those words. The more we practice, the more we concentrate, and also the more you enjoy it. So I always try and get you to do these words in a different color, however you want to do it. If you want to do them in bubble writing, as long as the rest of it is presented as neatly as possible in your black pen if you're writing, or obviously most of these now will be typing, so you can put some sort of word art in. It's absolutely fine. Okay, I want you to try and enjoy what you're doing as much as possible. So here is the task. I am going to upload the scaffold. I've already typed this out for you. So where the lines are, I have put a question mark and highlighted it blue. All you will need to do is just click on that, delete it, and put the correct word in. So you're just going to open up the scaffold, and then the answers are also on the next page anyway. There is a challenge X, and that is to choose 3 of the words from this list here that you are most unfamiliar with, and to either write a definition for them or to write a sentence with them in. So end the video here, click on the resource and fill in the missing gaps. Well done, year 4.